Do y'all see this? I can't even get in the house or out the house without struggling. So I went to Lowe's and got a K-Wick set. I had to do both doors. And this is the tool that I use. There go my chicken, y'all. Ba, 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 ba. So here I had to unscrew, y'all. I went to the right. I was trying to figure it out. Left, right. Left is to loose, right is to tighten. So I finally figured it out and got it out. I'm on to the next step. This is the next step that I chose to do, top to bottom. So I was having issues getting the other side out, so I had to call my nephew to come help his auntie out. And I was so proud of my nephew. He helped me out. He helped me. So this part is important. Always make sure that the tools match when you're putting it in and when you're taking it out. If you're not matching it up, it's not going to work. Here I was trying to put that tool in, but that didn't fit, so I had to find the correct one to use. Y'all, I swore I was doing something. Child, I done put the doggone lock on the wrong side. I had to go back and redo it. But that's a part of learning, and y'all know that I'm not a professional. I'm learning, and I had to get it done because I ain't had no money to pay nobody. Thank y'all for watching.